ready to potentially amplify your crypto gains, but also understand the risks. Let's dive into futures trading on Kucoin, specifically designed for beginners. First, head over to Kucoin Account and log into your account. If you don't have one, hit that sign up button and complete the registration process. Once you're in, find the Futures tab, usually located at the top of the page, and give it a click. This will take you to the Futures trading interface. Here, you'll see options for Perpetual and Delivery contracts. Perpetual contracts don't have an expiry date, while Delivery contracts do. For beginners, Perpetual contracts are generally easier to grasp. Now, let's talk leverage. It allows you to control a larger position with less capital. Be super careful. Higher leverage equals higher risk. Start with low leverage, like 2x or 3x, until you get the hang of things. See those long and short buttons. Long means you're betting the price will go up, and short means you think it'll go down. Choose wisely based on your market analysis. Next, decide on your order type. Market orders execute instantly at the current price, while limit orders let you set a specific price. You can also use stop limit orders to manage risk. Select your order type. Crucially, set stop loss and take profit orders. These automatically close your position at predetermined price levels, protecting your capital and securing profits. Always use these. Remember, futures trading is risky. Understand margin requirements, liquidation prices, and only trade what you can afford to lose. Start small, learn continuously, and manage your risk.